Well, good day there, and thank you for watching. I'm going to install the new version of DSDPlus. It's a new version that's only just come out. And the notes file, I've just downloaded it. The notes file here says exactly what's changed. So the first thing that they suggest is that you do not install it over the previous copies. So make sure you back that up. And then there's a whole lot of information here in the notes file that tells you updates and what to do, and a whole lot of information as to what has changed in this new version. So it's great that a new version's come out. It shows that they're investing in the software. So let's go ahead and install it, shall we? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract all these files, and I'm going to download it. I'm going to extract it somewhere different. So I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm just going to select that folder and then extract the files to that folder. Okay, there it is. And there it is there. So let's run that program and see what it does. So I'll hit on more and then run anyway. I've just plugged in my SDR device. Alright, so it comes up with a DOS window. It's doing a whole stack of things. Check for updates, yes. Alright, and there it is loaded. So I won't go into how to use the program, but that's how easy it is to update the program. Fantastic program, by the way. I'll do another video later about how to use the program, what it does, and set it up properly. But if you have enjoyed that and you want to see that next video, I'd encourage you to like and subscribe, because that'll encourage me to do that video. Thanks for watching all.